Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you, it's going to be like a little review slash how to wear magnetic eyelashes. Now I've been reviewing these, wearing these for quite some time now, a few weeks I should say at least. If you want to see how to apply false lashes, magnetic false lashes, then just keep watching. Now I got two different pairs. I've got regular looking eyelashes and they come in a nice little compact, and the back is magnets, so these just stick right in there. So these are the regular ones I got, and then I got some more dramatic ones, which the dramatic ones I have worn over 20 times now and they're looking kind of rough. I just ordered some more, but these are the more dramatic eyelashes. These are from lillashes.com. I'll put the link to it in the description box. Now, the thing about these, which I didn't understand at first, but then I kind of figured it out, is when you get these, usually in the package, they're kind of straight across, if you can see that. They have a tiny bit of a bend to them, but you want to curl these before you apply them, because if you don't, they're going to look cut off and they're going to be 10 times harder to put on. Now, I didn't know this when I first tried them, and it was a struggle to get these on. But once I realized that you should probably curl these to the natural curl of your eye shape, they went on so much smoother than before. So I'm just peeling these apart, and to get them apart, you just slide your fingers and you just kind of slide the magnets apart. See that? And then you can just pull them apart. And that's how you want to take them apart. You don't want to just rip them apart because you might rip the magnets off. These are delicate, so you want to be careful when you're pulling them apart. So what you want to do is you want to get your blow dryer, which I have mine right here, and we're going to turn this on hot or warm air. The only thing is you don't want to get it too hot because you don't want to crimp the little eyelashes. You just want it warm enough so that when you do this in front of the blow dryer, it actually curls the eyelashes. So we're going to turn the blow dryer on hot, and we're going to go like this in front of the blow dryer to get these to curl and keep a natural shape. So I'm going to do that right now. So now these, I've curled these and worn these a couple of times already, so they kind of already have a natural bend to them. But you just want to at least bend this much. You can bend them even more than that, but this should be fine. So what you want to do is you get 2 pieces per eye. Okay, this is for one eye side. So one set has the magnets facing the bottom, and the other one has magnets on top of the lash strip. The one that has the magnets facing downwards, you want to apply that on the top lid. So what I do is I line it up exactly where I want it on the lid. Let me adjust my mirror. Okay. And you want to get it as close to your lid as possible because you don't want a gap between the eyelashes and your lid. And once you have it in place, you just take the other one here. And I find this is the easiest way to do. I kind of just push up, blink, and let go. So, here's my other one. And see how I kind of just blinked? Now then what you do is you just take your hand and you kind of feel the eyelashes up to see how close you got them. And boom, you've got eyelashes. So these are the regular ones. They're not too dramatic. They're very neutral, normal. They basically make your eyelashes look a lot thicker. So, and then if you pull this down, you can see I got it nice and close to the lid. That's how you want it. I'm gonna put on the longer ones now. And after you curl them a couple times, you really don't need to curl them. So I'm just gonna pop these on so you can see the difference between the longer ones and the regular ones. I prefer using the long ones. They're a little more dramatic, but same concept. These look a little crazy because I've used these so many times now, but you'll at least get to see the difference. So we're gonna line this up on the lid, put it exactly where we want it, push it back to the lid. Then we're gonna take the bottom piece, line it up, push up, let go. Okay, boom, just like that. Gonna feel it up, make sure it's nice and close to the lid, and boom, we've got eyelashes. So now you can see the difference between the regular ones and the long ones. So these are the long ones, and then these are the regular ones. So, but that is the difference. And they look just like glue-on eyelashes, except they're 10 times faster to put on, and you don't have to take glue off of them. So it's very easy to take these off. You literally just slide the magnet, or you just slide the magnet like this, so the eyelash comes apart, and then you just peel it off. So you peel from the bottom to the top, just like that. They come off, no glue. You don't even have to put mascara on. I recommend putting one coat of mascara on just because they stay in place better. But other than that, that's all you need, and it's super easy. I don't recommend putting mascara on these if you want them to last longer. If you want them more dramatic, just curl them with the eyelash curler and you'll be golden. That is my review slash how-to with magnetic eyelashes. They can be frustrating at first, but if you curl them and if you practice putting them on, once you figure it out, it takes like 2 seconds to put them on, and they're so convenient, and they add just that nice little touch to your eyes, the little extra dramatic look to bring more attention to your eyes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Did you subscribe yet? Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you see new videos. I'll see you guys later.